Have you ever noticed how a redneck's version of a midlife crisis isn't a fancy car? Nope. It's a brand new tractor with more horsepower than common sense. My cousin Earl rolled up last week on one of those shiny green monsters with his tires bigger than my first apartment. He says, "Ain't she beaut?" I said, "Earl, you live on a 1/4 acre lot. What are you going to do with that parallel park it?" Earl wasn't hearing it. Next thing I know, he's out there trying to mow his yard with it. Bless his heart. The blade was so high he just pushed the grass over like a cow licking it. By the time he was done, though, his yard looked like a drunk porcupine had passed through. Earl shrugged and said, "Well, at least the neighbors know I've got power now." I said to him, "Power? Sure, but not a lick of sense."